What's the dance?
We're at Volcano Bay! We're gonna show you what there is to eat at Volcano Bay.
Dance monkey. What are we gonna get?
We're gonna get a Hawaiian Pizza, foot-long hot dog, and some jerk shrimp mac and cheese. So this food is from Whaka Wai Wai Eats. So we have a Hawaiian Pizza, like a long board. This is $12. These are mac and cheese. This is $12, I think. And for $15. This is the jerk shrimp mac and cheese. It's $15. You have regular mac and cheese, $11. And you have these very sad little hot dogs for $13. A little bit more than $1 per inch. Oh, we have my shrimp. It's mac and cheese.
Some.
Pretty good. The shrimp flavor. Shrimp is like pretty well cooked. I'm really hungry. So anything is good right now. But this needs a little bit more salt. So we got a Hawaiian pizza with a ton of jalapenos. I mean, a lot of jalapenos. A little better than your average school meal. Actually, the best one. Look at my face of disappointment. Don't ever get this. The Hawaiian pizza. It's a mush of flavor. Can't taste anything. Actually, I thought the hot dog was the best.
What about this?
We have chips. Can't go wrong with Lay's. Hashtag not an ad. Kohola Burger, which has fried onions, jalapenos, cabbage, mangoes, slaw, and avocado mayo. I hope it's better than the last place we had because I'm gonna be banned. Oh, we also ordered quinoa edamame burger with shiitake mushroom. Smash the edamame and quinoa together and then make a burger.
Oh, the patty is the quinoa.
Yeah. What are you?
It's an entirely vegan burger. What's okla?
This is the edamame burger.
Oh my, oh my. Oh, that looks good.
Only $14. You know what you got for $14 in the other place? A sad hot dog.
I will remember.
No, this is worth $14. This sriracha mayo is fire. If you're a vegan, you should definitely get this quinoa edamame burger. This place definitely is better bang for your buck. I don't understand what the quality difference is between, you have like a burger and shiitake mushrooms. Those are $5.99 a pound at Publix. And then you have a hot dog that's also $14. What? This one is the Kohola Burger. Baby. We got some fried onions, some jalapenos, some Angus beef burger.
I think it's a mango slaw.
And a mango slaw.
That looks good.
$15. Well, dry patty wise, but good flavor. I would actually eat that one more. Better than the jerk shrimp mac and cheese we got. It tasted like nothing.
And the mac and cheese that tasted like
Nothing.
even more nothing.
Yeah.
What do you think, Mom? How's the fries?
이거 여기만 싹
You know
진짜
what? We should just blow up that other Whaka whatever hut. Why? It's literally like 500 feet away. Fries are crispy,
이게
salty. Hope you enjoyed our visit to Volcano Bay and the food that we ate. Don't ever go to Whaka Wai Wai Eats. Just go get burgers. Okay, bye!